$130 today, $146 yesterday, and $115 the day before. And I'm
made over $240,000 last month.
You'll never make $10,000 a month until you understand this.
Today is the day that you hate your job enough to make a move. So I'm going to show you the easiest money glitch that'll keep you from getting scammed out here and making money fast as hell.
So earlier I showed you guys a crap load of money in the accounts. I'm going to show you one of the fastest way you can leave your job. Okay, so check this out. We are on a site called Offer Vault. What we're going to do is we're going to type in rehab, and you guys can do this right now, even without any experience. Just try it. I dare you. Okay. All right. So as you can see right here, we are doing something called pay per call. This is where business owners, since they don't know how to do their own marketing or they don't feel like it, they will pay you a crap load of money to generate phone calls. So you don't have to do any sales. You don't have to get on the phone yourself or anything like that. You send them calls. So people will call them and you will get paid for that. It's extremely easy. Okay.
Listen, I woke up to money from my guy, fly guy, David Robinson. I went through his class and I made $140,000 in 90 days.
So as you can see right here, this rehab offer will pay you $825 per call. Why will they pay you so much for a phone call? Well, when people get enrolled in inpatient treatment for, addiction and stuff like that, these companies will charge up to like $26,000 just to treat a patient through their insurance. So if they get on a call with them for 2 minutes, that means they probably enrolled them. So they'll give you $825 just to generate that call. And we show you how to do that in our pay per call course in the first pan comment.
I just wanted to give a shout out to David for helping me get this remote roadside business set up. He actually texted me this morning and said, "Oh, yeah, by the way, we got a payment for you." So I have to admit, I was a little bit skeptical at first, but I can see that it's working. So David, I appreciate it.
Let me show you an easy way to generate these calls, $825 per call. Let's come over here to Instagram real quick. All right, we're going to click on sobriety, hashtag sobriety. Why hashtag sobriety? Because that means these are all people confessing that they are sober and they're on a mission. That means they're going to have a lot of followers that are on that same mission. Okay, so let's click on this one. Her name is actually Happy as Sober. Now, she has 60,000 followers and all of her posts are about sobriety and the struggle and all of that. Now, one thing you notice is she has a link in her bio. You don't want to deal with her because she's probably already monetizing that. Let's find somebody else. So you want somebody that does not have their stuff monetized. Okay. So this one is a Christian podcast. That's cool, but that is not what we're looking for. Sobriety, creative sobriety. Okay. So you might have to take a little second to go through these mugs to find one that does not have a link in the bio. Let's click on this one. Normalized sobriety. Okay, so this is a good one right here. All right, normalized sobriety. They have just about 9,000 followers. There's no link in the bio, meaning they are not monetizing this. So what you want is to make sure they're getting decent amounts of views. That's cool. So what's going to happen is you're going to reach out to them. You're going to say, "Hey, I want to partner with you. In exchange for this partnership, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you $250 every single time someone calls this number for treatment." Okay, hold on. You're not giving them any money out of your own pocket. That number that you're going to get from that offer I showed you earlier, whenever somebody calls that number, you're going to get paid $825. Once you get that $825, that's where you're going to take the $250 out of to give to this person.
So hopefully by now you're seeing how easy this money glitch is, seeing how easy it is to leave that job, how close you are to freedom, how close you are to having your time back, how close you are to scaling up.
All they're doing is literally just continuing to post the same content that they already post. They just don't monetize it. So it's simple. When you reach out to them, you just say, "Hey, let me pay you $250 every single time someone calls this number for treatment." You don't have to do any sales or anything. Just continue posting what you're posting. And this is one of the simplest ways you can quit your job and make a crap load of money, thousands per day, like my other students. All right, love you guys.
So we're going to go to where it says get paid real quick, and I'm going to show you guys something. How would you like for this to be your recurring income every single damn month? Look at this over here, $15,000. Then we come over here to PayPal, and let me show you something. Oh, let's stroll. That comes in every single month on autopilot. That is possible for you guys. Let me show you how. Go to the first pin in the comment.